Alright, hold this.
I've got it.
You got it?
Yes, I've got it.
I've got to take this off. You got it? Alright. Oh. God dang it! What do you think? A little too much? Anyway, needless to say, I need to replace my lift supports here. I've been threatening this, working on this Jeep for probably literally months, but it is time to get it in order because going wheeling in a few weeks. So these have a couple screws up top. They come out down below. They kind of pop out. These little pins here. If you watch the video we working on the hood of the other Cherokee, it's the same type thing. Holy cow, these are long. Nowhere near enough strength left in these things to lift the tailgate in tandem, but still too strong to push down manually. They are directional, and when I ordered them, they did actually give me the proper ones, which is nice. Look at these screws. It's like an inverted Torx, but a quarter socket works on them. We're already in a better place just with one, but I bought two, so it's getting both of them. Come out of there! Ah! Yeah, there we go. See how it works. Remember. Well, that was pretty painless, so next up I'm going to pull the spare tire out, disassemble everything in here, because the next part of the project is building my table and storage area for the rear. So I'm going to get this cleaned out and dig up some material from the other side. I used to carry the spare up on the roof because there was really no room for it in here, but then because this is it's off a Rubicon, so it's a bigger tire and rim than this was originally made to hold. I actually took the original bracket. Oh, it comes out. I took the original bracket, cut it, and welded it to extend, so now I can put this back in. Just barely fits, but I'm actually kind of counting on that. I'm going to build a big platform, and the tire sitting down is going to help hold it, so hopefully. If you've watched my videos before, you know I'm winging it half the time. In the other half, I have no idea what I'm doing. toe strap to pull all the JKs. Guys don't know what they're doing, they just have them all crawlers. Ha ha! Some tree savers, snatch block, clevis, all the fun things for the trail rides. Blocks to set a jack on, save you some time, don't have to lift so much with this thing being taller than normal. My prop stick, hopefully I can get rid of. Alright, moving on. I took some cardboard pieces and kind of scribed around the edges here. I didn't want to wrestle in a whole piece. Everything seems pretty square to the back. I checked it. So I'm just going to pull some measurements, and then I can pull these out and set them in place where they need to be on a piece of plywood, and then I'll cut that out. That will be my base. I wanted to keep it as big as I could to keep it from jostling and moving. I don't want to try to anchor it actually to the body. I'd probably do something stupid and screw into the gas tank or something. So, alright, well that's it for this video. I don't want all these to start getting too long. I've got a family thing I need to get to. So next video we'll pick up building the storage space and the rollout table. Make sure you tune in.